Ever stared at your crypto portfolio on Newton and wished you could just, poof, move it over to your Coinbase account? You're not alone. It's a question that pops up for many crypto enthusiasts navigating the Canadian digital asset landscape. Maybe you prefer Coinbase's wider selection of coins, its staking options, or simply find its interface more intuitive. Whatever your reason, the desire to consolidate or diversify your holdings across different platforms is understandable. So, let's cut to the chase. Can you directly transfer cryptocurrency from Newton to Coinbase? The short answer, as of my last update, is no, not directly. Now, before you click away in disappointment, hold on. While a direct, seamless transfer between the two platforms isn't currently an option, there are still ways to get your crypto from Newton to Coinbase. It just involves a little detour. Think of it like wanting to drive from point A to point C, but there's no direct road, so you have to go through point B. Let's break down why a direct transfer isn't possible and then explore the workaround. Why no direct transfer? The primary reason for the lack of direct transfer lies in the way these platforms are built and their operational policies. Cryptocurrency exchanges operate as independent entities. While they all deal with the same underlying assets, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, their internal systems, security protocols, and the specific cryptocurrencies they support can differ significantly. Think of it like different banks. While they all handle fiat currency, you can't typically just walk into one bank and ask them to directly deposit funds into an account at another bank without some intermediary steps. Similarly, crypto exchanges often have their own unique wallets and address systems. Furthermore, regulatory frameworks and compliance requirements can also play a role. Different jurisdictions have different rules regarding cryptocurrency transfers, and platforms like Newton and Coinbase must adhere to the specific regulations in their operating regions, primarily Canada for Newton and a broader global reach for Coinbase, including Canada. These regulations might not always align in a way that facilitates direct transfers between specific platforms. Finally, the technical implementation of direct transfers requires collaboration and the development of compatible systems between the exchanges. If there isn't a significant user demand or a strategic partnership driving such integration, it's unlikely to be a priority for either platform. The indirect route, the withdraw and deposit method. So, if a direct transfer is out, how do you get your crypto from Newton to Coinbase? The answer is through a two-step process, withdrawing your cryptocurrency from Newton and then depositing it into your Coinbase account. This involves using the public addresses of your crypto wallets on each platform. Let's walk through the steps involved. Step 1. Withdrawing cryptocurrency from Newton. Identify the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Decide which cryptocurrency you want to move from your Newton account to Coinbase. Ensure that Coinbase also supports this specific cryptocurrency. Not all coins listed on one exchange are necessarily listed on another. Access your Newton wallet, log into your Newton account and navigate to your wallet or holdings section. You should see a list of the cryptocurrencies you hold. Select the cryptocurrency for withdrawal. Click on the specific cryptocurrency you want to transfer. You should see options like buy, sell, send, or withdraw. Select Send or Withdraw. The exact wording might vary slightly depending on updates to the Newton platform. Enter the withdrawal address. This is crucial. This is where you'll need the receiving address from your Coinbase account. Double and triple check this address. Sending cryptocurrency to the wrong address can result in the permanent loss of your funds, and these transactions are usually irreversible. Specify the withdrawal amount. Enter the amount of the cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw from Newton. Be mindful of any minimum withdrawal amounts or withdrawal fees that Newton might charge. These fees will vary depending on the cryptocurrency and their current policies, so it's always a good idea to check their fee structure beforehand. Complete the withdrawal process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the withdrawal. This might involve two-factor authentication, 2FA, or email confirmation for security purposes. Wait for confirmation. Once the withdrawal is initiated, Newton will process the transaction. The time it takes for the withdrawal to be confirmed on the blockchain can vary depending on the network congestion and the specific cryptocurrency. You should be able to track the status of your withdrawal within your Newton account's transaction history. Step 2. Depositing cryptocurrency into Coinbase. Log into your Coinbase account. Access your Coinbase account through their website or mobile app. Navigate to your wallets or assets. Look for a section labeled Wallets, Assets, Portfolio, or something similar. Find the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. Locate the same cryptocurrency that you are withdrawing from Newton. Select Receive or Deposit. Click on the cryptocurrency and look for an option to receive or deposit. This will generate your unique receiving address for that specific cryptocurrency on Coinbase. Copy the receiving address. Carefully copy the entire receiving address provided by Coinbase. Do not attempt to type it manually. It's very easy to make a mistake, and even a single incorrect character can lead to lost funds. Use the copy button if available. Verify the address. Again, before pasting this address into Newton, take another look at it on Coinbase to ensure you've copied the complete and correct address. Paste the address into Newton. Go back to your Newton withdrawal screen and paste the Coinbase receiving address into the designated field. Wait for confirmation. Once Newton confirms the withdrawal and the transaction is processed on the blockchain, it will then need to be confirmed by the Coinbase network. The time this takes can vary depending on the cryptocurrency and network conditions. You should be able to see the incoming transaction in your Coinbase account's transaction history. Once the required number of network confirmations are met, the cryptocurrency will be credited to your Coinbase wallet. Important considerations and potential issues. Network fees. Both Newton and the underlying cryptocurrency network will likely charge transaction fees. Newton will typically charge a withdrawal fee, and the network itself charges a gas fee for networks like Ethereum, or a transaction fee to process the transfer. Be aware of these fees, as they will reduce the amount of crypto you ultimately receive on Coinbase. Check the fee structures of both platforms before initiating the transfer. Minimum withdrawal/deposit amounts. Both Newton and Coinbase might have minimum amounts for withdrawals and deposits. Ensure that the amount you are trying to transfer meets these minimum requirements on both platforms. Supported. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.